Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through exactly how to use Koji step by step from choosing a template and building your page to customizing the design, adding the add-ons and publishing your link. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Koji for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Koji, the domain of which is koji.page. Now over here you will see this prompt that says Koji is a link in bio tool for creating the beautiful sales pages. So here, in order to get started with them, simply click on the option of get started here on the top. After that, it is going to ask you to sign up here for free with the help of your Google account. So here, simply click on the option of sign up for free. Then it is going to redirect you here inside your dashboard. Now you will notice that the domain of this particular dashboard is at toplink.at. They have even mentioned it over here, so you don't need to worry about it. This is the official website of Koji. Now, as I've told you earlier, this is going to be your dashboard. The flow in this dashboard is linear. Like you can choose a template, then you can modify the page, and then you can get the link to share. So here we have the first option of featured in the pages. Then we have link in bio. After that, we have the landing pages, and we have the my template option. So when you click on the option of the featured, it is going to ask you to generate a page. So when you click on the option of generate page, you can basically use tap link AI in order to generate this page for you. So here you can give the name of your brand and you can describe your brand a little bit, and the AI is going to generate a personalized template for you. Then if you just scroll down a bit, we have the landing page templates available. When you click on the view all option, here you will find a bunch of different templates that you can just simply click on, start customizing and start using it right away. For example, let's say if you want to create or select a template in this particular niche, you just have to click on it, then take a look at it whether this particular template is going to represent your brand clearly or not. Once you have decided that you want to select this template, simply click on the option of choose. Now it is going to take some time and it is going to basically select this template for you. With the help of this selection, you will be able to make changes into this template. So here, with the help of it, you can just change the text. You can add more images that is relating to your brand. Then you can add more of details about it. So this way, basically you can choose the templates over here. Now if you just come back here on the dashboard and scroll down here in the bottom, you will see a bunch of different categories available, like we have car, children, design, home repair, food. So you will find almost all of the categories available over here. Now you must be wondering what these categories are going to do. So for example, you are in the finance niche. When you click on the option of finance, it is going to show you the landing page or the template which is relating to finance. As you can see, this is the template which they have shown. Similarly, if you click on any of the other categories like in the music, it is going to show you the landing pages associated with that. When you are in the landing pages section, you are going to see these tabs here in the left hand section too. So you can click on any one of these and you can basically start using it. Then if you just scroll down, you will find some of the link in bio templates as well. Now these days, link in bio tools are getting really expensive. So in order to get the link in your bio, you will have to pay the money. But with tap link, this thing is really possible absolutely for free. You just have to select your bio template. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one. Here it is going to show you the preview of the template. So if you are interested in it, simply click on the option of choose. Then it is going to take some time to redirect you in your template editor, where you can just add your own profile, and then you can start adding the links in these tabs that are available over here. Now, if you just come back here on your home page again, you will find a bunch of different categories relating to link in bio too. So when you click on the option of link in bio, we have various types of categories available like Valentine's Day, then we have blur, then we have flora. So again, you can click on any one of these and you can start using them right away. Now, if you are interested in creating your own template with the help of AI, all of your creations will come here in this my templates tab. So this was the whole section for the pages, but when you click on the option of statistics, as the name suggests, once you publish all of your pages or all of the templates that you have created over here, this is the tab that is going to show you the analytics about your links. Basically, this section will show you the page views, the clicks, the basic engagement metrics. So you can treat this particular section like a lightweight analyst screen. The daily visitors, the top performing links, and the conversion events are shown over here. So if you run any paid promotion, you can check this tab to see which traffic sources actually working for you. The next tab that we have on the top is the leads tab. So when you click on the option of leads, this is the section that is going to help you capture the inboxes. So any form that you submit, the email signups or the contact requests are going to send through your Koji page, which are going to be appear over here. You can export the lead and you can connect them to your email provider. So it is your basically direct CRM for that one particular page. Then if you click on the option of design, as the name suggests, you are going to get control of all the global look and the feels. Here you will see a bunch of different backgrounds. Some of them are for the premium members as well, but there are various backgrounds that you can basically start using right away. In order to upload your own designs, you will have to go with their premium plan, but I would recommend you, if you are a complete beginner, you can just go with the free plan. So here the designs are going to give you the accessibility of the fonts, the colors, the spacing. So you can choose any one of these, basically the ones that actually resonates with your brand, and you can click on it and start seeing the preview over here in the left hand side. Then you can save changes to your designs and you can basically um, start using it on your social media platforms. Then we have the add-ons tab. So with the help of add-ons, you can add extra applications to your Koji dashboard. Like we have a bunch of different applications available. We have Snapchat, then we have Notice, and so in order to start using them, you just have to click on it, then you just have to connect it with it. Once the connection is established successfully, you will get access to these platforms as well inside Koji without going anywhere. Then with the help of settings, you can make changes into your dashboards, like you can set the notifications or you can just make changes on the view as well. Now, in my final thoughts, I would like to say that the Koji's dashboard is quite clean and funnels you from the template to the live links quickly. The most impactful actions are you can pick a clear template, then you can set the brand styles in the design. After that, you can attract the correct add-ons and you can set the SEO or the URLs in the setting. So that's how you can start using Koji. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.